Those Big Macs are good. I love Big Macs.
Yeah, but they taste good, but not healthy.
Yeah, I can't rap after I eat them because I always get stuck in my throat.
Well, why you eat them for?
Because I love them!
Let's use that one. During the rap contest? Yeah, you two look like you got some swag.
No, we own this area.
Go.
Yeah, what he said.
100% concentrated power will. 150% 100% reason to remember the name.
Yeah!
Sounds familiar.
Oh, cause I like my monkey.
Right, it's better than that.
What?
Get back. What?
A goldfish.
Oh, yeah! Oh! Ring. Hello? Oh, I'll put you on speaker.
You're the grade from the rap battle contest. Oh yeah, you just lost your money because of copyright.
What? Bro, we lost on the money?
No way.
Yeah, bro.
No way!
Ah!
I want my monkey!
Oh, no!
I want it!
Ready, go.
Anu, get out of the seat.
Anu!